I have been working in New Zealand to supply Sante for just about all those years. The supply has gone from a few hundred kilos to almost a great big warehouse full. New Zealand barley grasses, where we grow it, we've got a combination of soil and temperature and skill of the farmers growing it that makes it really, really high quality. Some barley grasses in the world suffer from temperatures a little bit high, and it tends to affect the greenness of the grass. New Zealand seems to have all the requirements you need for doing excellent barley. So we have several farms in New Zealand, and those farms are all certified organic by BioGro. The difference between a conventional barley and a certified organic barley is that the farmer is certified by an independent auditor, and they come along and they check what he is doing every year to make sure that he's conforming to certified organic rules. They can't use artificial fertilizers or pesticides. The product is grown in a very clean environment. For instance, where we grow the barley, it is a farm that's been certified organic for over 30 years, and so that soil that it's grown in hasn't had anything artificial put on it for 30 years. So it's a very beautiful and clean and pristine environment.
I've been endorsing Sante Barley for the past 8 years or 9 years. And the good thing about Sante Barley is, number one, it's rich in antioxidants. It helps the immune system. I'm very immune compromised. I was sick a couple of times, and it's because of my immune system. And because I work out very hard, it's also important that my immune system is strengthened. Since I started taking Sante, since I started endorsing Sante 8 years ago, I've been a regular user as well. It's not only good for you, it also tastes good. Masarap din eh. More than healing a disease, it's very important to avoid it. And the way to avoid it is to strengthen your immune system. And Sante Barley is the perfect supplement to strengthen your immune system, especially people who train like us. No? So to supplement it with Sante would be excellent. And of course, you also need to hydrate yourself. Eh? As I hydrate after a run, I drink Sante Barley, and it's good for me.